product liability case is when a product that someone's using, whether that's a car, whether that's a kitchen item, or whether that's a chainsaw or something to that effect, when something goes wrong with the product and as a result someone is injured.
A lot of times when manufacturers are making specific products, they don't take the consumer into consideration, and so the products are made and they're not very safe. And so what the laws were put into place to make sure that there is an avenue in which if a manufacturer makes a dangerous or defective product, that they have rights, that they can make a claim against the manufacturer.
Oftentimes people may not be aware when they're operating a piece of machinery, whether it be a lawnmower or a vehicle, for example, that the vehicle or the lawnmower may contain a defect that they were not aware of until something tragic happens to them. Then taking the time to really study that product and study how the accident occurred, one may come to realize that in fact there was a defect in the product, and it was the defect in fact that was responsible for the accident.
Product liability is when someone seeks to hold a manufacturer liable for either defective design or manufacturing defect, or maybe for misrepresentation concerning the use of that product that results in injury or loss to someone.
You buy a new tire from the tire store and drive down the road and it blows out, or you bought a new set of rims for your car and the rim breaks in half. It's not designed to do that. So something went wrong. Either someone designed it improperly at the factory, and that's what happens sometimes, or the factory messed up and they didn't include the proper ingredients, or there was a problem in the processes, and as a result you have what's called a defective product and that people get injured.
Board certifications are important to the client because insurance companies rate attorneys. And if an insurance company rates a trial attorney as a 9 or a 10, it's going to result in a higher settlement for the client and a greater recovery for the client. More likely than not, the case will settle rather than go to trial.
You go to an attorney because you want to be sure that if a company is manufacturing a defective product or dangerous product, that no longer happens. And by hiring a lawyer who knows what they're doing, they can put a stop to it.